Did James White get robbed of Super Bowl MVP? So Tom Brady won his 4th MVP award, but he admitted that James White deserved it. He became the first player with 2 rushing touchdowns and a receiving touchdown in a Super Bowl. So I ask you, Marcellus, was Mr. White robbed?
No, he wasn't robbed. Look, he doesn't play the right position to win the Super Bowl MVP. We know more quarterbacks than any other position, right? And 2, Tom Brady threw for 466 yards. Hold on. And then James White's supposed to get some love after that. Like, he would have to have 6 touchdowns and like 2 receiving touchdowns and 200+ yards receiving and rushing to be comparable to Brady's 466. They're the reason that they're back in this game, the reason they win that game, Tom Brady.
You know, I agree with you 100%. He was not robbed, but I don't agree with you on the true MVP of the game.
Oh.
That was Kyle Shanahan. Kyle Shanahan, you were the real MVP, right? Because, no, seriously. I mean, he even said that he blew it.
No, he did say he blew it.
Yeah, he did.
Listen,
he really did.
We were up like 12 points, and you ran the football 4 times over the last 10 minutes of the game. Dude, you helped them as much as anybody. Why did Tom Brady throw for 466 yards? Because they ran twice as many plays. Why did they run twice as many plays? Because you kept calling the wrong play and didn't show up any clock.
So can we go back to that question about who we felt bad for and say 49ers fans?
I'm about to say yes.
I know, right?
Gift receipt.
You get like you have like a week before you have to really make up your mind.
Gift
Take it back. Like, we've changed our mind.